first. It's like empathic interaction, emotional interaction.
I'm really interested about the rest.
We believe that this is the beginning of a good interaction. It could be a voice interaction, it could be a body interaction, but we need to feel that we exist into the robot eyes. These characters are not human. They are something else. They are not a dog, not a human, not a cat, they are something new.
So the Evo X is like a family robot. It's like personal family photographer home. You just say Evo, give me please help me take a picture. It will automatically point to you and put you in the center and take a picture of you.
Empower families through cutting edge tech. Simply put, we want to serve tens of millions.
It can feed your dog based on the right amount of food at the right time. It can medicate your dog if it's required. It can engage your dog. So if it's feeling lonely or if it needs that exercise, it can play fetch with it, it can play lose a tag with it, it can walk around with it.